Hi, this is Tony from World Spider Designs. Like most sky cutters do at some point, I have managed to cut through into my magnetic sheet. Now, as you can see, my poor magnetic sheet has fallen foul to my lack of concentration several times already. Now, normally what I do is just leave the pieces in and continue to use the sheet as usual. Unfortunately, this time, somebody's little fingers found their way over and poked the shapes out for me. So instead of wasting materials, we thought we'd give the don't make fridge magnets out of your magnetic sheet joke a try, and we're going to make some fridge magnets. Firstly, take some release paper and cut it to the correct size for the die. If you don't have any release paper, you can use some of the liner from your sticky roll. Place the release paper shiny side down onto your sticky roll and trim around it. Remove the release paper and place the sticky roll back onto the roll for safekeeping. Next, we are going to die cut the release paper, making sure that the shiny side is facing outwards. The excess paper will be left in the die so that when we add the magnets back into the die and apply the sticky roll, you won't end up with a very sticky die. Now we're just going to reposition the shapes cut from the magnetic sheet back into the die. Next, we'll retrieve the pre-cut sheet of sticky roll and place it down onto the die. Now normally I always recommend placing materials down onto your sticky roll, but as we don't want the magnets to fall out, we're going to make an exception. The best method for placing down sticky roll is to curve it in the middle, place, and then smooth out towards the edges. And now we die cut this once again. Now, as you can see, it hasn't cut all the way through the liner, and I have put it through the machine a couple of times. But the main thing is, when I peel the sheet away, it has cut all the way through the sticky part of the tape. Now, as you can see, this hasn't quite come away, but it just needs a little bit of encouragement and it comes away nicely. Remove the rest of the shapes and get ready to decorate. If you need to place the magnets somewhere safe before decorating as I did, just pop them onto some release paper or some spare sticky roll liner. I have decided to glitter my magnets, so as always, pop down some paper before applying your glitter. The best way to apply glitter to sticky roll is to tap, rub and pinch. Flick off all the loose glitter and then brush away any remaining excess. Then pour the remaining glitter back into the pot and repeat as desired. If, like me, you'd like to add a few gems, simply pick up your flat back gems with either a craft knife or gem picker and pop them into position directly onto the sticky roll before adding your glitter. And now from our sad little magnetic sheet with interesting holes, we have some gorgeous new magnets.